the complete guide to making money online with ClickFunnels. Hang on tight because we're about to dive into the world of online money making that could turn your life around. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the exciting, transformative, and potentially lucrative realm of ClickFunnels. Picture a tool that puts you in the driver's seat of your business, crafting the journey your customer takes from interest to purchase. That's ClickFunnels. By the end of this video, you'll have grasped how to harness this powerful platform and be well on your way to creating a revenue stream that works while you sleep. So stick around if you're ready for a journey that could redefine your online business and perhaps your financial future. Step 1. Understanding ClickFunnels. Before we dive into the ways to generate income from ClickFunnels, we must first establish a solid understanding of the platform. ClickFunnels is a dynamic software that helps online businesses create a systematic, visually appealing, and effective sales funnel. These sales funnels facilitate the customer's journey from the point of interest or awareness to the point of purchase. This is achieved by reducing the complexity of setting up an online business and breaking it down into manageable chunks that allow a person with no coding knowledge to set up an entire sales funnel. At its core, ClickFunnels serves to simplify the sales and marketing process for the user, making it especially invaluable for entrepreneurs who may lack the technological know-how. This comprehensive tool allows you to handle everything from web hosting, email autoresponders, landing pages, webinars, sales pages, and payment processing. Understanding how these different elements work in unison will be crucial as you navigate the world of ClickFunnels. Step 2. Creating a ClickFunnels account. The next step towards making money online with ClickFunnels is to create an account. As a beginner, you can take advantage of ClickFunnels' 14-day free trial, allowing you to get familiarized with the platform's features and capabilities. During the sign-up process, you will be asked to provide some necessary details, like your email, password, and billing information. ClickFunnels offers different pricing models, and it's crucial to choose one that matches your budget and requirements. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the ClickFunnels dashboard, a centralized space from where you can create and manage your sales funnels. This space is intuitive and user-friendly, so even without previous experience, you'll find it easy to navigate. This step is crucial in your journey because it will allow you to experience firsthand how ClickFunnels operate, and you can begin planning your sales funnel strategy. Step 3. Identifying your target audience. A key aspect of any online business, let alone ClickFunnels, is identifying your target audience. This involves understanding who your customers are, their preferences, what solutions they're looking for, and how your products or services can fulfill their needs. You can employ various tools and strategies such as market research, competitive analysis, and customer surveys to identify your target audience. Once you've identified your target audience, you need to create a buyer persona. This is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. Having a detailed buyer persona will guide you in designing your sales funnel and help you tailor your marketing efforts to reach your potential customers more effectively. Step 4. Crafting your sales funnel. With your target audience identified, it's time to start crafting your sales funnel. In ClickFunnels, there are 3 main parts to a sales funnel: the lead capture phase, the sales page, and the order form. The lead capture phase is where you offer something of value for free to collect the visitor's contact information. The sales page is where you promote your products or services, and the order form is where your customers can purchase them. An effective sales funnel requires careful planning and strategizing. Start by mapping out your customer's journey, from their first interaction with your business to the point of purchase. Each step in this journey should be designed to guide the customer towards the final purchase, addressing their pain points and providing solutions. Step 5. Building your first funnel. Once you've designed your sales funnel, the next step is to start building it in ClickFunnels. The platform provides a variety of templates for each stage of the sales funnel, allowing you to choose the one that aligns with your business needs. These templates are fully customizable, so you can adjust the layout, colors, images, and text to match your brand's style and voice. Creating your funnel involves setting up a series of landing pages that guide your visitors toward your ultimate goal. ClickFunnels makes this easy with its drag-and-drop editor, letting you add, move, and delete elements on your pages with ease. Remember, each page should serve a specific purpose in moving your prospects closer to making a purchase. Step 6. Integrating email marketing. Integrating email marketing with ClickFunnels is a powerful strategy to nurture leads and convert them into customers. ClickFunnels integrates with popular email marketing platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, and ActiveCampaign, allowing you to automatically add leads to your email list and send them automated emails. These emails should provide valuable content to your leads, answer their questions, and solve their problems. This not only builds trust, but also positions your business as a reliable source of information, Over time, this trust translates into increased sales and customer loyalty. Step 7. Driving traffic to your funnels. Once your sales funnel is set up, the next challenge is driving traffic to it. There are several ways to drive traffic to your funnels, including search engine optimization or SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, pay-per-click or PPC advertising, and influencer marketing. Each of these strategies has its advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on your business model, target audience, and budget. It's important to test different traffic sources and measure their performance to determine the most effective strategies for your business. Step 8. Analyzing and optimizing your funnels. To ensure the effectiveness of your sales funnel, it's crucial to analyze and optimize it regularly. ClickFunnels provides robust analytics features that allow you to track your funnel's performance. These include key metrics like page views, opt-in rates, conversion rates, and sales. Use these insights to identify any bottlenecks in your funnel and make necessary adjustments. This could mean changing your call to action or CTA, adjusting your copy, or testing different images. Remember, the goal is to create a funnel that provides the best user experience and maximizes conversions. Step 9. Monetizing your funnels. Once you've optimized your sales funnel, it's time to start monetizing. This involves creating a pricing strategy for your products or services, offering upsells and downsells, and implementing a follow-up funnel. Upsells and downsells are additional products or services you offer your customers after they've made their initial purchase. A follow-up funnel, on the other hand, involves engaging with your customers after the sale. This could involve sending them a thank you email, asking for reviews, or offering additional products or services. By continuously providing value to your customers, you can turn them into repeat buyers, which is key to long-term business success. Step 10. Expanding your reach. Lastly, to increase your earning potential, consider expanding your reach. This could involve scaling your advertising efforts, creating more sales funnels, entering new markets, or launching more products or services. The more you expand your reach, the more opportunities you create to attract new customers and increase your revenue. Beyond just crafting a sales funnel, it's also crucial to continually enrich and enhance your knowledge and skills around digital marketing and online sales. This comes in handy when optimizing and tweaking your funnel. It's recommended to regularly engage with informative resources such as ebooks, webinars, and online courses related to digital marketing. Particularly, Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, has written a series of books, including .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets, that provide detailed insights and strategies for creating and managing successful sales funnels. Reading these books will equip you with a more profound understanding of how to effectively drive traffic, convert visitors, and build a loyal customer base using ClickFunnels. Understanding the importance of customer relationship management is another key aspect often overlooked in the sales funnel process. In an online business setup, it's not just about making a one-time sale. It's about building a community of customers who find value in your products or services and remain loyal to your brand over time. ClickFunnels facilitates this by allowing integration with several CRM systems and providing features to manage customer data effectively. You can use these features to understand customer behaviors better, personalize your communications, and foster a stronger relationship with your customer. Incorporating strategies like regular follow-ups, customer satisfaction surveys, personalized content, and offers can significantly enhance your brand reputation, boost customer loyalty, and in turn, elevate your overall profits. And with that, we wrap up our comprehensive guide to making money online with ClickFunnels. We trust this information empowers you to take a strategic leap forward in your digital journey. As you embark on this path, remember that success lies in continual learning, adapting, and optimizing. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help drive your online business aspirations. Until next time, happy funneling and best of luck in your endeavors.